Today I show you how to fix your iPhone when you have the hotspot, the mobile hotspot, and the personal hotspot. When you try to enable it, it turns off like this. So I have here, this is a Digi Romania connection, a mobile connection. It's almost unlimited. But when I try to use the personal hotspot to connect my iPad to the iPhone, to use the internet from iPhone and iPad, that didn't work. And this might happen on other networks, but if you live in Romania, I don't know if you're watching this video, it's in English. This could happen on many networks, and you have this problem when the personal hotspot is not available, and you might think that it's a restriction from the mobile service provider, but actually it's not. It could be. You could ask your mobile service provider. That's a great first step. But one thing you could do is to check the settings that are required for your mobile service provider for the cellular data. Under cellular data here, on some networks you have some settings here like a username and password or the APN name. And for this network, all I had to do under personal hotspot was to write under APN internet. When I write internet there, I had it copy pasted here, so you don't watch me type it. Once I change the setting there, it might not refresh automatically. So the best thing to do is, if you're trying to get the personal hotspot working, you could try to toggle the airplane mode. For example, as you see, it's already there and now it's working. If the airplane mode toggle doesn't work, you can also restart your iPhone. And you could do this on an iPhone or an iPad or even an Android phone, because in some cases it might be the same situation. And here for the personal hotspot, now the personal hotspot is enabled. I had it set up before. My iPad was set to automatically connect to my iPhone, the personal hotspot, when it's available. So yeah, if you had this problem, I'm glad I could help you fix this, because it's a bit of a strange problem. It's normally the eSIM card or a SIM card, when you insert it in your iPhone or Android phone, it will automatically configure itself, but it doesn't always do this. When it doesn't, and if it still doesn't work, you can always ask your cellular service provider. You can call them and ask them that you want to use a hotspot. It's nothing to restrict. I mean, a hotspot is something normal to use. It's not like you're sharing the internet with a lot of other users. And this is the personal hotspot working. When it's working on the iPhone, you see that the dynamic island looks like that. I'm showing you the password here because it's a temporary password. I'm gonna change it, so yeah, don't worry about the password. And yeah, you connect to the hotspot just like any other Wi-Fi network. And on iPhone and iPad, there is a better connection through the hotspot, that the client understands that it's a hotspot connection, and you might have a few options where you use less data. The fix here was to put in personal hotspot under APN internet. In this case, for this network, for Digi Romania, digi.ro, but this might help you with any other network. Yeah, if you have any questions about your iPhone, Wi-Fi or internet, some problems with the cellular connection, let me know. I have the connection from Romania, but I also have it from Cyprus. And yeah, this is the personal hotspot. I don't really use the personal hotspot much unless I have the iPad with me somewhere outside and I want to get internet for the iPad also. Most of the time the iPhone has internet. And yeah, if you use your iPhone as a mobile router, basically, it's a good idea to keep your iPhone plugged in, charging, because the hotspot will consume some battery. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.